Being an AI enthusiast, I always think that it's my duty to help you know the best AI website that has been developed over time. Now, everybody has been using ChatGPT for almost everything. People wanted to write job applications for them. But what if I tell you that these 5 AI websites that I'm about to show you can be better than ChatGPT or can replace ChatGPT in your life because they are niche specific? Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share because I have a lot of amazing content for you when it comes to the world of AI and everything technology. The first website that I want to show you that I think could be better than ChatGPT is Agent-Gpt. How ironic can that be, right? So Agent-Gpt works simply much just like ChatGPT, but this one has a form of advanced reasoning skills that breaks whatever you ask it to do into tasks. It can also break whatever you want to do into goals that you can fulfill step by step. I think this tool is definitely beneficial for people who are into research, project management, and planning like we do. This is because projects normally take the form of documentation before it is sent out to the field for it to be implemented. And one of the fundamental things of project that you cannot ignore is the fact that it needs to contain goals, objectives, strategies, and activities. This is why I would recommend Agent-GPT instead of ChatGPT for those who are into research, planning, and project management. Let's move on to the platform for you to understand whatever it is that I'm talking about. But before we move on, I would like you to know that the research, planning, and project management that I mentioned earlier on, we offer them. So supposing you went to a village somewhere to conduct a research, and at the end of the day, your research suggested that you should build a school for that community. This tool can help you do that in terms of the documentation of the whole school project. So let's move on to Agent-GPT for it to document that goal for us. So we come here, the name of the project can be, let's say, school project. Then after that, you come here and type in the goal. So the goal is to, first of all, build a 6-unit classroom block with a budget of $100,000. So when you're done with everything, then you just click on deploy. So when all is said and done, it will give you your tasks over here. It will also elaborate those tasks over here and how you can implement them. So the first one is research and select a suitable location for the classroom block that is within budget. Then the second one can be engage an architect or a construction firm to design and plan the classroom block. So in terms of project documentation by Agent-GPT, architects and construction firms can be in the stakeholder analysis of the document. It has also given you an elaborate understanding of whatever they mean by research and select a suitable location for the classroom block that is within budget. So all these things can help in project documentation before you even start your project. Can't you see how wonderful AI can help us in our professions?